you can make a great living out of it while also providing a public service. We're not just workers, we're first responders, stewards of the environment, public health. So that there is a great deal of satisfaction in the work that we do, knowing that we're keeping the community safe.
I didn't realize that being a treatment plant operator would require you to wear the hats of mechanic, laboratory technician, paperwork guy, manager, reports. There's lots of interesting, unexpected facets that I didn't know about.
Everything can be taught, from the mechanical skills, the technical skills, anything you need to do or to be able to understand any part of the job can be learned. Ben Patton, I'm the plant manager for the town of Manchester by the Sea's water treatment facilities.
It's really a pretty cool thing to watch, and to really not just to watch, but to orchestrate, because we're the ones running the show. The water gets so clean to the point where it's almost like, how? What we're doing is we're taking nature's natural processes and sort of supercharging them with high-powered electricity and machines and using them to do what nature would already do, just on a really big and concentrated scale. My name is Tom Connolly. I'm a plant manager at the Linden Ponds Wastewater Treatment and Collections Project.
We're doing a wide variety of tasks that general mechanical skills would be beneficial to have, so to work on pumps and things of that nature, as well as, general computer skills. Everything's digitized these days. General computer knowledge would be good to have with the SCADA systems and reporting and everything like that.
The daily things that we're required to do include laboratory tests to assure that the water is the cleanest possible quality. There's paperwork that's required every day. We have to collect how much flow did we process. We need to know what the pH of the water was. We need to know what the nitrogen and phosphorus levels of the water were.
I think anyone can learn the job, and you start out with the basic stuff and get into a facility, and then from there the sky's your limit. As long as you're willing to learn, you'll do great.
This job offers good work-life balance, good benefits, good pay. Anything that doesn't require a college degree, this job offers better pay and benefits than pretty much anything else I've found. And I did a lot of searching, looking for different career options that didn't require college. This may be the best one that I've found. I'm certainly happy here.
Probably wasn't until I got later on in high school where I was trying to figure out, hey, what am I going to do with my life? I knew I didn't want to go to college. I knew I didn't want to pursue anything of that nature.
I would certainly encourage younger people, high school graduates, maybe people in their early 20s who don't want to go to college and maybe don't have the financial ability to, or just feel they're done with school after high school, because it's a pretty low barrier to entry. It doesn't require a college degree, and it pays on par with most other trades.
College isn't cheap, and that's one of the benefits of this industry, is the barriers are very low.
There's so many positions requiring expertise and so few people to fill them that there's just, if you're willing to come in, put in an honest, good day of hard work, you can make it pretty far. You can make enough money to live comfortably in this field. Good health insurance, paid vacations, stuff that a lot of us have lived our whole lives kind of wishing we had. I was also worried about what it might be like working in the field of wastewater, and my expectations were subverted, and I couldn't be happier.
At the end of the day, we're providing an essential service. Water is essential for all living things to survive. Though it's largely out of sight, out of mind, there still is a level of satisfaction in knowing that the work that we are doing is providing a critical service, giving them clean drinking water, clean, safe drinking water.
To anyone who's frustrated or tired of their current work and really wants to get into something new, hopefully something better paying with good benefits and good hours, working at a water or a wastewater treatment system doesn't sound glorious, but I couldn't be happier with the life that this career is providing me. And I only have to look forward to it getting better.